everyone, today I'm going to show you what is in my house. It's the fantastic things is the chili. This one is Carolina Reaper. It's the spiciest one. This two plants is for 4 months. This one is Scotch Bonnet. Yeah, it's have many pepper, but only the red one. Here. Yeah, it's many big one, but it's still green. Going to be bitter. This one is the Carolina Reaper. Is the spiciest one in the world. This one is spicy too. I cannot try it. My mom cannot try it, but my dad and my uncle will try it. Okay, let's see who will crying first for spicy. Okay, I'm going to cut for uncle and my daddy. Okay, I'm very excited to make the video. Let's see who will cry first. See you. Okay, now it's the time to try the Scotch Bonnet. It's my dad and my uncle gonna try it. Let's see who will cry first.
So what we're gonna do is cut this in half.
We gotta cut it in half first. You're gonna have to hold that with your fingers.
Oh,
Cho.
which one you will eat?
Yo. Alright. Uncle shoot with sausage or with leaf?
So this is what, 350,000 Scovilles. About. Which means that this is about 350 Tabasco sauces. Hotter than Tabasco sauce. So we're gonna try this. I'm gonna let my good friend and brother in arms here, Roger, go at the same time.
1, 2, 3.
Wait, yeah.
Oh, you need to.
All right.
Wait.
All right, son, why don't you count your uncle
Okay.
and me down?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Eat. You guys need any milk?
Instant heat.
Uncle face is nothing. Nothing. More here. No, thank you. No,
Very
thanks.
fresh and delicious.
Milk.
Burns, it burns.
Give Uncle milk.
You want-
No, we're grown men here. We don't have.
Wow, the winner! Yeah, now we see the winner.
Daddy, you said you would cry first.
Well, if someone's gonna cry, it's gonna be me. Getting hotter.
Don't cry.
Getting hotter. I feel
Hot.
that heat building. I chewed on my left side. Should have spread it out.
I think you must have taken most
Try
of
it.
the seeds.
Try not to get the chili touch your tongue.
Well, while I'm on video, I'm trying not to cry. It's warm. How red is my face right now?
It is getting warmer.
Oh, let me see.
Ooh, child.
Not very red. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like, please like, share, and subscribe for me and press the bell so you not miss our new videos. Bye bye.